Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? So this is the second part of the birthday haul and in continuity with the first part. So I hope you will enjoy. I have got quite a lot of products from Nykaa, and if you haven't seen the first part, I highly recommend you to watch it because I've got some great products there, and you will be watching the continuity of that part right after. So I hope you enjoy watching this, but before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're updated for all my future uploads. And today is my birthday, the day you're watching this, so it makes me very happy to share my birthday haul exactly on the day of my birthday. So have a fun time watching, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below, and we can have a chat as well. All the links of these products are provided in the description box as well, so make sure you check it out just in case you want to buy. Now without rambling any further, let's dive into the video. Okay, now you will be seeing a lot of Mamaearth products now because I have used up a couple of products. Like the first one that I want to talk about is the Mamaearth's onion hair mask. This is something that I have used up already. I have given a review of this in the product empties, the latest one that I shared. If you haven't watched that, I'll link that right up here. You can check that out. I have given my review, what I feel about this product in detail, quite a lot in that video. You can check that out. This is something that surely works. I have very thin hair quality and they break very easily. That stopped after using the hair mask a lot, so I thought that I might try the entire onion hair range. That's why the first in that is the mask, which I had to restock. So this one retails for ₹599. I have not got any discount on this, but I got some free products from Mamaearth. I'll show you those as well. So this is the onion hair oil. As I said, I wanted to try the entire range, and I had to get this as well. Oiling is very essential for hair. We all know that, and I wanted to try this as well. This retails for ₹399, and I also got the shampoo for this. This is the onion hair shampoo. So this one also retails. This one retails for ₹349. I wanted to use this one as well to check if I use the entire set, if it makes my hair feel better or not. The conditioner was out of stock when I was checking. That's why I couldn't place an order. I might place an order later on or buy it from a store if I can find it in any store. But yeah. With those, I got two free products from Mamaearth. That is, first is the Argan hair mask, and this is just a tester version, I believe, because I have the tub for the Argan hair mask as well. That's a great one if you want to make your hair soft and frizz free. So I know what this is. This is a great one. I will definitely use up once I'm done with the tub. So that is one free product that I got. And the next one is an oil-free face moisturizer that I got from Mamaearth. This is the apple cider vinegar one. I haven't used this one, but since it says acne prone skin, I'm hoping it will suit my skin because my skin is sensitive, oily, and slightly acne prone as well. Not all skincare products suit me, so yeah, we'll check how this works. But yeah, these are the two products that I got free from Mamaearth. Right, so I showed you two Nykaa products that I purchased, the lip balm and the the curl mascara that I purchased. I have a couple of more Nykaa products. I have two nail paints from their recent breathable collection. This is in the shade Sea Breeze. This is such a stunning icy blue color. I love this sort of pastels, so wanted to try. And the other one is a beautiful shade as well, and this is called Let It Go. This is a nude color, and I am always up for colors like this. So I got these two nail paints. They retail for ₹199 each. With those two nail paints, I also purchased two of the Love Struck perfumes from Nykaa. So one is Stolen Glance, and the other one is Talk All Night. I know you are also expecting the reviews for these. Let me know if you want to know about the reviews for these two first, then I can do it, or else I can save these to start getting the others, because once I have all the set together, I can share a collated video as well, or else I can start with these two. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section and I will film accordingly. but yeah, looking forward to use this one quite a lot. I will show you how the bottle looks like for Stolen Glance. By the way, these are all rupees 699 and there was no discount whatsoever. These are the latest launches from Nykaa. This is how the Stolen Glance perfume looks like. I haven't even taken a sniff of this. My god, this is very tight. Okay, this is nice actually. I don't want to share what I feel right now because I want to do a detailed review. But this is kind of aquatic, if you know what I mean. And let us see how the Love Struck Top All Night variant looks like. The bottle shapes are all same and they are all pastels. And this is how Top All Night looks like. The lids are super sturdy. My god, it's so tight. I love this one. From the first sniff that I took, I can at least understand I love this one more than Stolen Glances. But yeah, I'll do a detailed review later on, either once I have all of them with me, or else if you want to see just the two of these, let me know and I might film those two for you first. Okay, with these Nykaa products, I got one Nykaa free lipstick, which is a metallic liquid lipstick, matte to last lipstick. This is in the shade Thank You Next, and I'll show you how the lipstick looks like. This is how I love the packaging. The packaging just blows my mind away. Just look at it. It's reflective. It has an ombre effect of black to this shiny color. Let's see how the color is. Wow, it's a beautiful color. This one is what is it? Sorry. Thank You Next. Yeah, so this one is Thank You Next. It's a beautiful color. I'm not much into metallic shades, but since the trend is coming back, I might give this one a try. So the formula is very light. Yeah, it barely feels anything on my hand. So this one by itself, I guess it retails for quite value. I don't know. The price is not mentioned here. If I find the price online, I'll leave it on screen. And I got this one for free, so that was exciting part that I got from Nykaa. I have one more interesting product. This is the L'Oreal's Dark Brown Magic Retouch Instant Concealer Spray for your hair. If you have thin hair, light patches here and there, or you have grey hair which you want to cover, this can be of great help. I will have to use this. This says up to 25 uses, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I have picked up the dark brown variant because my hair is not exactly fully black. It is dark brown itself, natural. I don't color my hair. I cannot experiment a lot with my hair because my hair is not that great of a quality. So yeah, wanted to try this out there and see how it covers my grays, because I don't want to color my hair because I like natural color of the hair. I am not a person who likes hair color, to be very frank. If somebody does it, it looks good on them, I will never do it because my hair is not of that quality that it can take the toll of that chemical treatment. So I might try this and let you know how this works on my hair. This one retails for rupees 299 and I got it at rupees 269. Next up, I have a very popular product, and this is something like everybody has. I am quite late to join the bandwagon in this one. This is the Maybelline's Master Strobe highlighter. Yeah, I have two highlighters in this video, but I have heard so many things about this. This is the metallic highlighter, and I got it in the shade Molten Gold because I was looking for a golden highlighter. So this one it is. K-Beauty highlighter quality is definitely nice and to look out for, but it's expensive compared to this one. This one retails for rupees 550 and on discount I got it at rupees 385. So it's almost half the price of what I paid for the K-Beauty one. So I'll give you a swatch of this. Just let me tear the tag. So this is how it looks like. I'm sure you have seen it 1,000 times by a lot of YouTubers. The texture is stunning. Where should I swatch it? Wow, Okay, now I know why people go gaga about this. My god, just look at it. It's in my fingers, how reflective it is. And I just applied it here and blended it out. Just look at that natural glow it gave to my hand. You are a marvelous product. I might use it more and give you a proper feedback. But yeah, loving the first swatch, and the rave is justified, I think. And the last product here is this lip lightening scrub. We use matte lipsticks and all, and that takes a toll on your lips, so it's always required that you scrub your lips to give them the nourishment and remove the dead skin layer on top of it. This is how the product looks like itself. The oil from it is coming out, I believe. This is for tanned and darkened lips, it says, and I'll show you how the consistency is. So here is a safety lid, and the oil from this is actually coming out. Okay, so it has a consistency like this. It's kind of a moussey. Okay, it smells delicious. It smells like cherries and berries and whatnot. Yeah, looking forward to use this one. Okay, so this lip scrub retails for rupees 440 and I got it at rupees 374. I am so looking forward to use this because you always need something for your lips to take care of it, and this is something that is definitely hoping that it will keep my lips hydrated and devoid of the dead skin layer with all the torture that we do with all the lipsticks. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you had fun watching it, and if you had fun watching it, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and leave me in the comment section below if you want to see the perfume reviews first or the tutorials and all that. Let me know, and then I will start filming those accordingly. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. All the details will be there in the description box below and at the end of the video. Make sure you check it out. I do a separate sort of some content in other social media platforms as well, in IGTV and all that, so make sure you follow me there so that you don't miss out on reviews there as well. And make sure you take a moment to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.